Mornings with Brian and Courtney. Inside the Workday Kickoff, it's brought to you by our friends at Anthony F. Cordero Insurance Agency in Fall River. Protecting your home and family is at the heart of everything they do. Call or visit them today for a free quote with safety insurance.
Tim McGraw, very diverse in his talents, not only a great singer and artist, but also an actor. He has never seen the movie that he is in, Four Christmases.
Isn't that crazy?
Well, not so crazy. I saw it. Good call, Tim. Cat Country, 98.1. COVID-19 went.
Traffic report, powered by Town Fair Tire.
You are stop and go right now on 95 South through Pawtucket between Route 1 and the 610 connector. You're busy on 146 South between Branch Ave and 95. 610 connector inbound, slow between Toby Street and 95. Outbound side is busy between Toby Street and Route 10. I'm Jackie Murphy with your Southern New England traffic.
Amazon is now hiring near you. From boxing it up to sending it on its way, every package they deliver matters to someone. Ready to work hard to make someone's every day? Immediate hourly roles are available at Amazon.com/apply. Amazon is an equal opportunity employer.
94 HJY.
Free agent linebacker Mante Te'o to the practice squad. The Bruins have re-signed Carson Coleman to a 2-year contract, and the LA Dodgers beat Tampa Bay 8-3 in Game 1 of the World Series. Red Sox fans had a lot to be angry about in this one.
5 pounds like me, you can't